How to make this cute illustration style micro animation can be directly delivered to R&D after generating this set of illustrations. The first step is to generate images. Find a text-to-image tool that suits you. I use Figma here, and the image to model for generating images. Then generate the corresponding illustrations. You can use Gemini to do it for you. Write down the prompts for several states. And then import it into the image to video website. Use the image to video tool to generate the video. I'm using Kling here. Then import the picture into Kling. Then write the corresponding prompt. There is an important keynote in the prompt, which is to write local micro animations and local looping. After setting the desired parameters, you can generate the video. Then generate the other ones. After generating, you can preview the overall effect. It's still good. Then you can download all of them. Then open 5 p.m. Click the green pick tool on the right. Import the video. Then adjust the timeline below. You need to observe it manually with your naked eyes. It's the first frame and the last frame. Try to make them consistent. If they are inconsistent, drag them forward and backward, and try to see the overall effect. Try to make the entire video loop. If there is no problem, choose No Need to pick green. Click Next. The last step, select WebM format. Check the file size. If it's acceptable, just export it directly. Take a look at this size after exporting. The total is 151 kilobytes. The overall effect looks fine. Then, in the same way, then put the other few guide WebM format. Finally, we can export all these videos in one MP4, an MP4, and a set of WebM format. MP4 videos can be placed in Figma. You can preview the effect first, then WebM format. If there is no problem with the effect, just deliver it directly to the R&D team. You can check the overall effect.